tantalum. You can see that different on minerals as well. Questions are asked in prelims. For example, uranium, titanium, etc. Even when when you check the previous year questions, you can see that um, many previous year questions, or especially for prelims, are asked from these minerals. That is why we are discussing this. Tantalum, a metal with remarkable properties, have been discovered in the sands of Satluj River in Punjab by a team of researchers from Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Ropar. So tantalum is a rare metal and it is found in the banks of Satluj, Punjab. Okay. Now, what about tantalum, or what is the important property of tantalum is what we are discussing. Now it's a gray, heavy, highly corrosion resistant. That is the first important property, highly corrosion resistant, forming an oxide layer when exposed to air. The oxide layer formation helps in its corrosion resistance. Okay. So first one is corrosion resistance. This is the important property. And next one is it is ductile. Ductile means it could be drawn into wires. Okay. So indirectly it means that this can be used in electronic industry. It could be used into wires. Okay. Allowing it to stretch into thin wires without breaking. And it is extremely resistant to chemical attack at temperatures below 150 degrees Celsius. Okay. So it is extremely resistant to chemical attack, and it is only affected by hydrofluoric acid or acid solutions. And also it has high melting point. These are some of the properties which make tantalum important. So India can harness this metal for using in semiconductor industries or in electronic industries. Okay. So what are the important properties? It is highly corrosion resistant, it is ductile, it has high melting point, it is also resistant to chemical attack. Okay. So these are the some of the properties which can be used in electrical industry as well. So what are the uses? First, I said it can be used in electronic industry, right? Capacitors made from tantalum are vital for storing more electricity in smaller sizes. Ideal for portable electronic devices. Okay. And also, India has identified critical minerals, 30 critical minerals which are important for various purposes. Okay. And tantalum is one among them. India used to export this from other countries. Sorry, import this from other countries like US, etc. Now we have identified our own distribution of tantalum in the banks of Satluj, Punjab. So India can reduce its import as well, right? So it's another importance. So one of the importance is in electronic sector, it can be used, for example, in portable electronic devices, etc. And next important application is it can be used as a cutting edge material. Okay. That is, composite with tantalum carbide and graphite is one of the hardest materials. So it can be used in cutting edges. Next application is it can be used as a substitute for platinum due to its high melting point. Platinum, as we know that platinum is highly expensive, right? So even nearly to that of the diamond, platinum is expensive. So a platinum, in substitute of platinum, this can be used because of its highly melting point. And also it can be used in medical applications as well, like in implants, surgical equipments, etc. It could be used. So it has a wide variety of usage. It can be used in electronic industry. It can be used in place of platinum. It can be used as a cutting edge tool. It can be used in medical applications, etc. Okay. So this mineral has a wide variety of applications. So what if India can use this or from its own land? Then we are currently now importing it from other countries like US, etc. So this import could be reduced, right? So significance. As I said before, we can reduce the dependence on imports and increase the domestic supply. India imports most of its metals from tantalum from US, UK, and Germany. So this could be reduced. So if we are reducing the import burden, because that means that our economic burden will be reduced. Okay, so there will be a boost to our economy. The discovery can help India's electronic and semiconductor industry, as it has a wide variety of applications. We discussed the applications as well, right? So we can have this metal for developing our electronics and semiconductor industry as well. Regarding the semiconductor industry, we had a class on last class, right? Regarding India semiconductor needs, etc. Remember? Semiconductor chips, current affairs class. So we discussed the various problems with the semiconductors industry in India as well, right? We only have a single hub for making in semiconductor chips in Mohali, Punjab, and that is the reason why. And also, even if it is developing semiconductor, India is developing semiconductor chips. It is for ISRO uses, etc., not for human rest of the use of rest of the country. So we are importing it from other countries. So what we need to do? We need to have a technology transfer from Taiwan, etc., and other countries which are having high technological advances like Taiwan. And also we can develop our own usage, make in India, etc. Okay, so Tantalum can have a potential to develop in this electronic industry in India. Okay.